Traders, August 15, 2018, the stock market's closed, and provide an update on FUSZ, ticker symbol FUSZ. 50 cents was support. What happened after the live video conference, I was hoping for it to go up and actually, close above 70. That was my intentions, and that's what I wanted. However, sellers at the open gapped down, opened up at 50 cents, just under 50 cents, right below support, and created resistance at 50 cents. So it's a tug of war, obviously, between at 50 cents for support and resistance. Seems like the seller's taking over. Buyers try to bring the stock back up, but doesn't look like, didn't seem like that had enough power. We needed it to close above 50 cents. FUSZ is right now at 46 and change. For that reason, I'm calling this as a bearish signal. Looks like it's going to head lower. I really was hoping 50 cents was the support level so it could rebound and bounce higher. But after today's move, that doesn't look like it's the case. Individuals who got in at these levels and put their stop orders in and got stopped out. The fact that it didn't go back up to 50 cents, it's troublesome to seeing this going higher. But like I said, if you place your stop orders and you got stopped out and you was able to protect your assets, kudos to you, because you can't win in every single trade that you get yourself into. The smartest trader is the one who can protect their assets. And if you can protect your assets, profits are going to come. Maybe not on this one, but, on several other ones, I'm sure. Once again, my name is Zelman. You can follow me on Twitter at TradingTeacher. I might not report on FUSZ moving forward just because of what happened today, and I just don't like it. I'll just watch it from time to time, and if there's something I like or see something interesting, I'll put a report out on it. This way I could report on other things, new things, fresher things, see what's out there for my followers. If you want to take a live trading course with me, follow me on Twitter at TradingTeacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com.